What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here, where data empowers true potential and I show you the power of your numbers. In today's video, I'm going to check in really quick, show you something that I look at every single day, most days, to make sure that I'm on track. And knowing this metrics and knowing how to move this metrics will actually allow you to be able to get to where you want to go. So let's hop right in. I'm going to be showing you the Sarah Styles sales and trends dashboard, which is for purchase. It is a dashboard that I have for resellers. You simply input your data, manage and track all of your data here, and then you have access to all of these metrics, up to 25 platforms. Quickly, I want to know that my sell-through rate is up. However, my average sale price is down. And I talk about this in some of my other videos. That those kind of move together. So make sure to check out some of the other videos. But if one is going up, my gross revenue, that's ideally end of the day, that's what I want to see. I'm working really hard on my sell-through rate right now. Drop notes down below. Do you guys want to know what I'm doing to really increase that sell-through rate? 5%. I'm selling 5% more items than I was selling last 28 days. So what I wanted to talk about on today's video, just really quickly, Chris from A Daily Refinement actually kind of told me about this phenomenon. He calls it the reseller nirvana, where essentially you are listing the same amount of items that you're selling. And since he kind of introduced me to this is something that I track and I manage it. And if I am selling less, then that means I need to be doing something differently. Whether that's I need to look at my SEOs, I need to look at my pictures, I need to look at my pricing, check my comps again, or I have stale inventory that needs to get moved. Something isn't right. If I'm in maintenance mode, obviously growth mode, you're going to be listing more than you are selling. But if you're in maintenance mode, which I'm kind of doing right now, I want to kind of just maintain this level of sales. I need to be listing what I need to be putting into my store, what I'm putting out of my store, right? Just keep a level of inventory. And so this chart right here, listed items versus my sold items. And right now I'm above that. So that's actually telling me, hey, I'm doing something really well. You could see by my sell-through rate above, right? I am selling. My sell-through rate is higher. I am doing something really well because I am going a little bit above the items that I'm listing. And so, okay, maybe I take back my sales, or maybe I increase my comps a little bit to kind of steady out that listed versus sales. I mean, it's good to have sales, right? But then this is kind of telling me, okay, maybe I'm giving items away for free, not for free, but I could up my prices or counter offer a little bit to kind of keep it even. However, you're talking a difference of 6 sales. So right now, for the purpose of this, looking at this, I wouldn't do anything. But if that continues to creep up, that's telling me, hey, I could look at my comps. I could lower some of my promoted listings on eBay, certain things to kind of suppress that a little bit and make more gross revenue off of it, right? If I'm selling things higher, then I'm going to be making more gross revenue. What I want to show you is scrolling down here to the previous month. So in December, you can see this chart. I was off by 100 items. So there's 2 reasons for this. One reason is I really started increasing my listings. I wanted to increase my gross revenue. I want to, and you can see down here in the simulator, if you have this dashboard, you can enter in any number that you want. I really want to get to this 8,500 number. I'd like that to be kind of my monthly number. I wasn't there. I hit that a couple times last year. You can see, you know, towards the end of the year, I was getting higher, but I never really got to that 8,500. And so based off of this chart, if I want to sell more, I needed to list more. So I went from listing 8 items a day to listing 10 items a day. And so that's kind of why you see the discrepancy here. But then when I go to January, that listing more is working, right? So it takes about a month or a month and a half lag, depending on how often and how much you're doing. But knowing that I started upping my listings and now a month and a half later, they are hitting the same thing. It's all you need to do. Once you can figure out these numbers and manipulate these numbers, you can make the money that you want to make. Because I simply said, hey, I want to make a little bit more than I did. I need to list more items. Boom, I'm listing more items. All of my pricing are right. My comps are right. Everything is working out okay because now I'm at that where I want to have my listed items where my sold items are. that easy. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like content like this. Give me a thumbs up as well. Drop notes down below if you guys have any questions. Have a good day.